What's going on, people? Today's installment of One of a Kind, we are going to try to fix a problem that I have created by trying to be original. I designed this custom cold air intake, was all proud of myself on how amazing it looks, and it does look really cool. Boost pause. So, problem I'm having with it is that when I am at 5,000 RPM, really peaking at like 21 pounds PSI of boost, whatever you want to call it, my car is dropping down to like 8 pounds of boost. Like, it's choking. So it's not getting enough air. I got this enclosed filter inside of a canister, and I'll show it to you when I get there, and obviously there's just not an... Yep. So this is what I had. It's a carbon fiber. I don't even know if it's real carbon fiber anymore. I've never really given much. Like, I've looked in here and I see, okay, that looks like a filter, but I'm gonna gut this thing open and see just what kind of filter came inside of it. It was connected here. Right here, this pipe goes down to my turbo. Still got the clamp on it. This pipe here comes down into the grill, onto the front. You can see the intake shroud there. It's got a filter wears filter on it that prevents like water and stuff from getting in. So I'm gonna try to rig up something with this filter that obviously gets more air. Definitely not gonna go inside of this, so I think this is gonna be out for good. All right, and then if I have it without a bag, put this filter right there, and this will be held in place by me cinching up the clamp back there. Why does that look tweaked? Like that. What do you think? But so what do you think? No on the red? It's the wrong red. Black? Okay. So let's go get the black filter, actually buy it. I've adjusted these couplers and all of this. The thing is getting the angle to line up with this front pipe. I got a bracket that goes around the perimeter of that other canister, and it goes over the hold. Like, I could put something like that right here and run the bracket so that it has more of a... For the problem that I had, that looks like the best fix that I'm gonna come up with. Okay, we've got the intake on. And missed the light. I really need coilovers. It's hard to make that coilover purchase when I got drag springs on the car, so there's no visual instant gratification. Obviously the ride, which is the gratification you get, but when it comes down to spend money on it, I really wanted to focus on upgrading the performance of the car. And then I got a little carried away with the engine, wheels, gauges to keep up with all that. Needless to say, coilovers kept getting bumped on the list. Let's do a timing. I know this is a horrible way to end the video, but I've been trying to edit this video for 10 days straight. The audio is in line with the video, so now you get my wonderful, soothing voice in a beautiful car and sunset to finish. What better way to go out? Guys, I got some big things planned for this week coming up. With this new software, I will be pumping out videos when they get pumped out. Till next time, keep it custom.